Let's see what's new this week at Aldi. My favorite asparagus, $1.40 a bag. These are kind of thick. I like the thinner ones. Peppers. Pineapples are $1.49. There we go. There's the perfect bag of asparagus. Nice and skinny. They've got strawberries on sale, $1.79 a container. These are kind of small. They don't look that great, but I'm basing it on me getting the strawberries from Florida, so nothing's going to be as great. But if you want strawberries, if you're a Reese's candy lover, they've got Reese peanut butter candy cookies. They're $3.49. Only 170 calories a cookie. I'm excited for cheese. I love a good cheese. Gouda. There's cheddar, applewood smoked cheddar, applewood smoked Gouda, and then applewood smoked Gruyere. I love cheese. I posted these German snacks last week on my Instagram and they're really good. These potato sticks, they have an herb style. These are great. They've got great cookies. This one loves the lemon one. So if you see these products, go ahead and scoop them up. They won't be here long. They have a 3-tier planter. I don't like the finish on it, but you could always spray paint it. $24.99. We also have a bunch of kids gardening tools, and they're $3.99. The regular shovel, the broom, the rake. Really cute for kids. They've got seeds for 59 cents if you're still looking for seeds. Sweet basil, lettuce, pepper, pumpkin, lemon balm, cilantro, carrots. We've got new candles, juicy berry, melon spritzer and sea spray. These smell pretty good. Very beachy, summery candles. And we've got new sneakers. How cute are these? They're only $6. I think I'll be getting every pair that has my size. They've got the camouflage. They've got this really cute stripe. And then there's like a taupe brown pair. Let me pull those out of the box here and see what they look like. But you can't beat it for $6. Yeah, super cute. And the Sierra line, these are really comfortable shoes. I've bought these before. It's a great deal for $6. They've got hanging baskets, petunias, impatiens, begonia. They also have some adorable kids' rain boots, and these are $9.99. And then they also have the Nickelodeon and Disney ones, Frozen, Toy Story, Minnie Mouse, and these ones are $12.99. They also have these adorable kids chairs for $19.99. They come in a bunch of different prints. There's a spaceship one, which Dylan is getting. We've got a star, and then there are some girly ones that are pink, purple, and gray with like sparkles on them. And if you're still doing puzzles, they have a bunch of different puzzles. I know during the pandemic in the beginning, everybody was struggling to find puzzles. And they've got this succulent one. I'm gonna pick this one up. If you're looking for shelving, they have this 5-tier black shelf for $49.99. It seems pretty sturdy and easy to assemble. Each shelf holds up to 260 pounds. And they also have the aloe vera plants. They're $3.99. They come in like a gray pot and then also a cream color pot. I know I don't need any more plants, but I've got 2 planters from Target that I need something to go in, and I think these are going to be perfect. They also have gardening soil for $2.99. And it's organic dirt. If you're looking to get your plants put into the ground. I still haven't done that yet, but I need to this weekend. Now that everything is going back to normal and people are traveling again, they've got a portable travel and game table. I don't know if I give my kid a marker in the car, but this could come in handy. Here's a great Aldi find for 99 cents. They're cable organizers. It's the twist and tags, and then the holders and bites, and it comes in the lightning bolt, and then also in this fun star. And then it comes comes in gray, black, and white. We love alkaline water. I didn't know Aldi carried it. It's a 12 pack for $7.99, so we might have to give this one a try. Has anybody tried this one? We usually get the one from Costco, Sam's Club, or Dollar Tree. So it's pretty comparable in price. There's the sneak peek for next week. There's so much gardening stuff. I'm getting that plant stand right there, this one right here, and the chair. So if you want anything from next week, you're going to want to be at Aldi first thing on Wednesday. This gardening stuff is going to fly. I would love to get something like this also and have a nice greenhouse in the backyard. We'll see about that one though.